Hi guys, welcome to part 3 of our prosthetic head tutorial. So in this segment we are going to be painting, and we have different types of paints. We have the silicone paints and skin illustrator paints and so many paints you could use on your prosthetic piece, but for this tutorial we are using the skin illustrator palette. These palettes can be activated or should be activated with the 99.9 isopropyl alcohol. You can get it from SFX or any store close to you. So for this tutorial we are using everything affordable, everything cheap, everything you can find close to you, and things that are not so expensive. So we're going to use the Pros 8 to glue down our lashes. For our lashes, I'm using random strip lashes. You can get them from any store, like a beauty store, and cut them into bits and use the Pros 8 to glue them down. For the brows, I'm using random hair, false hairs. You can get them at the salon, and I'm just going to cut them into little bits and glue them down. Once your Pros 8 gets sticky, that is the right time to start applying your false hairs. These are the false hairs I use for the eyebrows, and I'm going to use them for the entire head. And for the entire head, I'm going to use a different adhesive. I'm using the Spirit Gum. Spirit Gum tends to glue this hairs faster. That's one thing I figured. So I'm using Spirit Gum for the entire head. If this is your first time watching my video, welcome. So this is the third part of a prosthetic head we've created. So there's a part 1 and there's a part 2. So I'm going to link it up here so you could go watch them so you can understand this whole process better. And please do not leave without subscribing. It will mean a whole lot. So please subscribe, comment, like, and share. Like I always say, drop a comment in the comment section telling me what you'd love to see me film next. So we completed the whole process at the back, and here I'm just trimming out the excess hairs and putting some finishing touch on the lips and on the eyes. If you've watched up to this point, you're an OG and therefore you've learned 1 or 2 things, and that's literally my aim for putting out all of these things that I do. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys.